ceremony, there was a 21-gun salute and a flag folding. When the flag was given to my grandma, it reminded me of freedom, unity, and bravery. The flag is a symbol of unity. Our country was united when we ended slavery. We are a free country and everybody is equal. We are united when we only had the 13 colonies and we still are with 50 states. The 13 stripes represent the first 13 different yet united colonies. To me, the 50 stars represent 50 different yet united states. We are called the United States because we are united. The flag is also a symbol of freedom. Many leaders of our country fought for our freedom. Those people made a big change in our country. We have the freedom to pursue happiness. We have the freedom of religion. We have the freedom of speech. These freedoms are a responsibility. You have these freedoms until they hurt someone. The flag is a symbol of bravery. Many troops are risking their lives to stand up and fight for our country. Our veterans were brave, and we should respect that they served our country.